Coming up on today's vlog.
You should go there.
You want me to sweat you?
Ladies, if y'all scared to take yourself out on a date, don't be.
Trini girl, you had that vibe and I can't find it nowhere.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, like I said, every time y'all see me I got a new hairstyle, but yesterday I got my hair done. The reason why y'all right here right now is because I got y'all on the doorknob. Don't mind it. Let me just hold y'all for a sec. But yeah, the reason why y'all right here is because I'm getting dressed. I'm gonna have a me day today. I plan on doing my nails, my toes, and getting some ramen. Going to eat ramen by myself, because I used to always do me dates and go out by myself because I don't have no problem doing that. Like, honestly, I don't. So I'm gonna bring that back. I'm bringing that back. Self-care. Today is Wednesday. I start my new job tomorrow, so I'm just trying to get my life, you know, prepare myself. So right now I'm just doing my makeup real quick. Then I'm gonna head out to the nail salon, get my toes done, because I got these sandals that I ordered on Amazon. I'm gonna show y'all in a few that I'm feeling to wear. My toes is not done, so this is gotta go. I just wanted to check in and tell y'all that, because I know I always start the vlog when I'm already dressed and outside, so I just wanted to start the vlog a little different today. So that's what that's about. So I'm about to come back when I'm done with my makeup and y'all gonna see. So this is the before. It still look good right now, but before, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the.
Every time we don't speak, you just post that pic on the gram, cause you know I miss you. Shorty from the city, got a bag just like the city girl. Shout out to the city girl, she a hot city girl. Trini girl, you got that vibe and I can't find it nowhere.
I got a t-shirt, let's see. Go ahead and grab that, girl. Tell me to slow down if I'm going fast, girl.
After. So this is the after, guys. I got my hair done yesterday. It's so freaking cute. Just got a little feed-in action because I just need something so I don't have to keep doing my hair, because it's very annoying when I'm ready to go out and I gotta do my hair. It makes me not want to go nowhere because doing my hair takes entirely way too long. So I got my little sewing in the back. My weave is 26 inches. So this is how far it goes. You know, good enough. So that's what's going on. I just did my makeup, so I'm about to get dressed now. Put on some lip gloss, you know. So I'm gonna come back, guys.
Hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO.
Okay, guys, finally figured out what I was wearing. It took me about an hour and some music to get me there, but this is it. So this is the fit, as you guys can see. The shirt by me, by the way. I made this shirt. I got the shirt and I just did this on it. I haven't worn the shirt in mad long though. Like, the stuff is turning colors and ish, but we gonna never mind that and let it rock. But it's so cute. I got on my little platform slippers, which I'm about to go get my toes done, so don't worry about that. Got my little bag from Shein, shirt by me, a skirt from Forever 21, which I rolled up. It was a long skirt, a long silk skirt. I rolled it up, you know, made it my own, made a little cute. Slippers from Amazon, glasses from Shein, and hair done by Mitri. I'm gonna tag her. But yeah, this is the fit, guys. I'm gonna show you guys more when I get outside, but I'm about to head out right now. So
hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Chevy, ooh, and Montbec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring a set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get.
guys, I just pulled up to the ramen spot. I'm just trying to, you know, make my little content first. But this is the fit. I got my nails done. It's so cute. It's yellow for the summer. Period. My toes is the same color.
Hey, she want me to play with that cat. Hey, she love how I make it on wet. Hey, you know how sticky it get. Hey, hey, yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. And Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. Oh my God.
Hey guys, I'm hungry as hell, so I'm about to go and see y'all inside. One thing about me is I have no problem eating by myself. Like, none whatsoever. I will go out to eat by myself any day. As long as it's a nice day and I can make content and stuff. So I'm at my same favorite spot that I'm always at. So cute. They got the little waterfall going. There's mad stuff to eat over here. I gotta try these other places. I just been coming here for ramen. Oh, let me hold my skirt down. I'm gonna see y'all. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm happy. I love when I come places and I'm the only one here. So it's mad empty in here. I'm the only one here literally right now. I think it's because their Wi-Fi is down, but I got cash. So I'm about to have a nice time. I'm just posting my video on Instagram real quickly. Dang, I forgot to put my ankle bracelet on. I said, wow. And I got a new one from Claire's too. Dang, I suck. The things I think about randomly. But I'm here at the ramen spot. I'm about to get me some ramen. I know I'm pretty sure y'all recognize this place. It's so cute. My favorite spot. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy my ramen. I'm thinking if I should get a tea or a slushie today. I don't know. I usually do. I think I might get a slushie, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. I might just get the tea. And they let you mix, so that's great. Yeah, maybe we got back some. Yeah, I want y'all to be able to see me. But yeah. Cute. My hair is cute. Shout out to Mitri. She did her thing. She did her thing on my hair. I got my chest out today. You know, I'm on my sexy, my grown and sexy. Summertime fun, period. I'm in the process of making a TikTok, so y'all probably gonna see me doing that. I'm ready to order. I'm hungry. I'll take the regular bubble tea, the peach and pomegranate mix.
Gotcha. For the bubble teas?
Yes. And
did you want the little black balls in it?
Yeah. No, I just got it with the fruit in it the last time. That's fine.
The fruit in it? Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Mm-hmm.
And I'll get the black and white tonkatsu.
Just how it is?
Can I have the ground chicken instead of the pork?
Gotcha.
And
spicy ground chicken?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And instead of the egg, can I get corn?
Mm-hmm.
And no broccoli. Can I just get extra bok choy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Gotcha.
All right, thank you.
Gotcha. And for that bubble tea, you wanted the peach and
Pomegranate. Ooh, excited.
Live in a cold world, shit. Live in a cold world, shit. Got the drop on clean. I got the drop on your girl. If it needs things, yeah, it ain't work. Yeah, I fuck on your main bitch. Yeah, she gon' curl. Yeah, I came sleeping on paddling. Yeah, right by the spur. Get into my main.
The peach fruit tea with pomegranate. And I got the little fruits on the bottom. I ain't getting no bubbles because that be doing too much and that be taking up most of the drink. So I don't be getting that all the time, only sometimes. Yep. There's it right there. There's it right there. Ooh. Oh, my soup is here. Thank you.
Did you want the fork?
No, that's fine.
I got you.
Excited. I'll show y'all. Yes, baby, yes. I said no egg, but they gave it anyway, but I guess.
I just took a up block, cut it in two. I just took a up block and I swept it like broom.
You need no crumbs. Leaving the spot, guys. Look how cute it is in here. It's so cute. This is my tree from the last time, y'all remember? I know you guys didn't peep that tree behind me. It's so cute, right? Very cute. It's lighting up. That's my favorite part of being here. If you know, you know. You watched the last vlog. Alright, thank you. Leaving. It's mad hot outside. Oh, and it was cool in there too. Y'all, there's a whole crow on top of their car. I'm scared of that. What the hell? Oh, hell to the no. Let me get up in my V. Yeah, I'm mad full and disgusted right now. Like, I feel so full and disgusting. Like, it don't even make no sense. Whew, that was some good ramen. That was great. That was well needed. And if y'all, ladies, if y'all scared to take yourself out on a date, don't be. It's way more, it's so peaceful. It's cheap. Oh, let me put some hand sanitizer on. Yeah, it's like, ladies, don't be afraid to treat yourself once in a while. I took off my rings and shit because I don't like having rings on and stuff when I'm driving, but y'all, that ramen was everything, and I'm not looking forward to driving back home at all. It was like a 40-minute, like a 30-something minute drive, and it's probably traffic right now, so it's probably gonna be longer. That's the only thing about going places. Like, you gotta worry about getting yourself back home. I'm about to buy some ganja. Yeah, by the way, I stopped smoking. I only smoke on occasions now. Like, I smoke when I'm around people and I'm doing things. So, yeah, that's just my little update. I've been stopped doing that. So, now I'm about to, I don't know, I think I want to smoke today for some reason. I just wish my friend was around. She went to Jamaica. And then she was in Brooklyn, like, she was living her best life already. I told her, come back. She back today, but she's tired now, so she told me she gonna let me know when she wake up. But we gonna see. I got my bubble teas. So happy, guys. It's the best life. I love it here. I'm trying to figure out how I could take some pictures. Like, I don't got that little clicker timer thing that everybody got. I'm about to back it up and go park over there in them spots, so I can have a little view over there and probably take some pictures. So we about to do that. Fuck, somebody just come and took the spot. Fuck you. There's another spot, but damn, I ain't trying to be parked next to people. Damn, I hate people. They just always want to do what I'm doing. Like, mind your freaking business. Don't come and park right here. Hey, I'm here, guys. Look, so this is where I'm at. This is the little spot that I want to take pictures. It's so hot though. Like, damn, I'm like dreading getting out the car. But it's so cute and it matches me. So I want to take some pictures on these pink chairs, but I don't know how because I don't got that little clicker thing. Setting y'all up right here. Y'all good?
Hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey.
Yeah, it's blazing hot. I took some pictures with the self timer camera on my phone, but I'm about to go back over there and take some more because I wasn't satisfied and the pictures was coming out cute. So I'm about to go back in the heat one more time and get those pics.
2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. 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 She want me to play with that cat. Hey. She love how I make it on wet. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage, and Shorty try to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed.
Yeah, while I was taking my pictures, and it was facing the wrong way the whole fucking time. Are you dead ass? It's too fucking hot for this shit. I do not have time.
It's hot.
Now I gotta go back out there. Ugh! Good thing I got braids in this curly weave because it's hot. It's blazing. If I had any type of hair on that requires lace, yeah, it would have been over. Because it's 90 something degrees today. Like, it don't even make no sense. Matter of fact, let me see what's the weather right now, because it don't make no sense. Like, somebody could literally catch a heat stroke out here. I had to keep coming and taking car breaks. That's freaking insane. Yeah. It's 98 degrees right now. Are you dead ass?
Shit whack.
That is insane. Insane. I need to be in somebody's pool. People brought their kids out here to play in the water fountain that I showed y'all. They brought their kids to play in the sprinkles instead of going to the pool. Like, I don't blame them. It's hot as hell. Oh yeah, I got some cute pics. Period. Look at my pics, y'all. And it was just, I didn't even plan this, but it was the perfect background because those chairs over there is pink. Good thing I'm done taking my pictures because sir over there is sitting. Like, excuse me, sir. Y'all about to see them up on the gram. Pictures is cute. Yummy. So yeah, I'm about to head my ass home and post my pictures when I get there because I don't want to waste my gas just sitting here. So I'd rather be on the way home. Let me see how far home is before it start getting mad trafficy, and I don't got the thing for the trafficy.
Hey guys.
So yeah, it's mad crows over here too, so I'm scared of that. I'm getting up out of here. I wish I had like a thing for y'all to stay right here. I don't know where my tripod is at. I thought I had it in the car. I need to go get a new one. I should go to Five Below. I'm just looking for things to do because it's a nice day and I have on a cute outfit and I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling it today. I'm feeling it. My bubble tea even turning hot. That's how hot it is, and I'm almost done. So yeah, I need to get somewhere. My pasties, I got on nipple pasties. My pasties is peeling off. Like, it's time to go. This not the weather for nobody to be outside. Nobody. I'm about to FaceTime my dad and see what he's doing. I might stop by and see him. That's how bored I am. I might stop by and see my pops. But see what he doing. My hair is so cute, y'all. I love it.
Yes, yeah.
Hey, Daddy, what you doing?
Nothing, nothing was hot and nobody wants to call. You want to call my car in this heat?
It is so hot. It don't even make sense. Yeah, it took me 30 something minutes to get here, and it's about to take me 50 minutes to get home. So yeah, I'm about to head my ass home because I'm getting home at like 5:10 right now. It's 4:21. You know, it's about to be traffic and it's about to be annoying, so I'm about to head out. It was a fun, eventful day. So yeah, now it's time to go. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get home. Bye. Yeah, look how nice this Chipotle is. That ain't cute, right?